welcome back to my channel. It's officially December 1st. Isn't that crazy that we just have this month left of 2020? Blows my mind. It's crazy. This month is Christmas. Or do you guys have your trees up? Because I've been having mine up since November. But anyways, today's video I wanted to start off with doing some makeup and stuff. Because what kind of creator would I be if I didn't do makeup maybe on the first day of Vlogmas? We'll see if I can get through Vlogmas every day and stuff. We'll see, you guys, because I know it's very hard, and I should have had it planned out like a long time ago, but your girl didn't have anything planned out, so. But let's go ahead. I'm actually gonna start off my eyes. Today, I think we're gonna do a super simple, sleek look, and I picked out a few reds, you guys. So hopefully one of these, or I'm gonna mix all of them, I don't know, we'll find a red that we like. And they're literally from different brands, so we'll get into that later. So yeah, so we'll get into that later, and we're gonna do the eyes first. Eyes are gonna be super simple. I feel like a lot of people love seeing just a wing and a bold lip and just put some lashes on and have like a really nice base, you know, for your skin and stuff. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna try out this graphic pen liner from, is that, y'all, I don't know, Jouse, I don't know. It looks like a Joucc. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I got this in my BoxyCharm, so it could be like some indie brand and stuff, but I can't find my other one. I had a Hank and Henry one, but yeah. And then every time I open the lid, I keep getting like, keeps spraying out. I'm like, ooh, no, I'm wearing some sweatpants and we don't need that. But yeah. So let's see if I can attempt to do this on camera, because I haven't done a wing in so long, you guys. Like, it has been forever. And usually I like a liquid liner. Me personally, I'm not so fond of like pens like this. They just kind of freak me out. So let me know in the comments if you get freaked out by like these little pens and stuff. But we're gonna try it out, and hopefully, you know, hopefully she's okay. Okay, so I did some cute little wings. They're not as big. I kind of wanted them bigger, but honestly, you guys, like I said, with a pen like these, I normally like the liquid liner, because when I do the flick, it just glides super nice. And that one seems to be kind of drying, and I'm not sure where my liquid liner is. I like to use the NYX liner, and they used to have the NYX one in Walmart for like $1 something, but they discontinued that like I think 2 years ago or something like that, which is so sad because it's my favorite liner of all time. But next I'm gonna go in with my skin right now. Summer Fridays, the Jet Lag mask, you guys. It's so good, and you can put it under your eyes if you have dry skin, under there, and it will make your concealer look so flawless. But yeah, or you can use it how I'm doing it right now. You can put this under your foundation and just your makeup in general. So that's what I'm doing. I got my lashes drying right now. The lashes I really want to put on, they're downstairs, and my baby's content watching a show. So I don't want to go down there and then not be able to finish recording, you know? So I have no clue what the name of these lashes are. I'm so sorry, you guys. I did do my eyebrows off of camera. I did use the e.l.f. Cosmetics, the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This brow pencil is a game changer. It is pretty much a dupe for the Anastasia one, but it's only like $6. And who wants to pay $20 when you can pay $6, you know? You feel me? So let me see if these lashes are good to go. See if they're a little tacky. Okay, so I got these lashes on. They're still drying, so if you see some stuff in there, it's just the glue that's drying. So super simple. You can see the wing popping through. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Flawless filter in Charlotte Tilbury in medium 4. This, guys, this has lasted me forever and ever. It's so good. It just brings a light, a luminosity under your foundation. You can also use it without any foundation. Right now I'm just gonna go in with my hands to spread this out. I did have a brush for it, but I started using my cream contour bronzer, so I don't want to mix that all over my skin. Look super healthy, even though we probably haven't been healthy because of Thanksgiving and all the food we've been cooking, or other people have been cooking for you. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm gonna go with my Giorgio Armani foundation. Y'all, I feel like I'm almost out, and it makes me so sad because this thing was expensive, but this foundation's so good. So when I run out, I'm just gonna have to buy some more. It's lasted me a long time though. So it is 1 fluid ounce. It's the Luminous Silk Foundation, and I'm using 7.5. And I want to go in with my It Cosmetics brush. Did you guys buy anything for Black Friday or Cyber Monday? I went into Ulta, but honestly I was looking for like one thing and I couldn't find it, and it wasn't even like a Black Friday sale. It was just the ColourPop lip liner in BFF3, and they didn't have it. They don't really have a lot of stuff at my Ulta, I feel like, in my area, so that's like a bummer. And then I thought, I don't know if the Kim Kardashian mini sets are supposed to be in store or it's an online thing. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, I didn't see none of that. She did have a good sale. She was having what is it, $10 for her lipsticks, but it was only the pinky ones and then the red lipsticks. So she had like 5, I think, in like those types of tones, you know, those undertones, and yeah, just those tones in general. Next I'm gonna go with my Dose of Colors 10 Light. This is in Meet Your Hue concealer. I'm gonna bronze up my skin even more with Give Me Sun from MAC, and I'm just using this $1 Billion brushes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up my skin. Okay, so I have this random lip liner in Rich Red Italia Deluxe. I bought this so long ago, you guys, so long ago, but I'm gonna line my lips with it. I wish it was like a different undertone. I like those reds that have like the blue undertones, because it makes your teeth like super white, and just like it has a certain undertone that I like. This is what I got. I think, oh my gosh, there's a hair. I think I want to try, let's see, Monroe from this brand right here. I think it's Queen. I don't know, it's QVEEN, but I don't know. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I will link everything down below if you're interested. I'm gonna try to see if I can find this brand that I got from my BoxyCharm and stuff, because you always get certain things that you're not familiar with. They're the indie brands and stuff. So but I like the way it turned out. It's super simple but very like glam. You can always dress this up, guys. There's so many ways you can dress this look up, honestly. And I'm just wearing this cute little turtleneck, kind of green moment, just for the Christmas vibes. And it's just I don't know, I just feel like I just need to go downstairs, turn on my Christmas tree, even though it's kind of early and you probably can't really see the lights because it's light outside. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish drinking my little cafecito and stuff, and I need to stop touching my hair. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's look. Very super simple glam. And I don't wear this color every day at all. You guys know I'm a nudes girl, and yeah, this is definitely different for me. And I got into my teeth. Okay, good. It's very different for me, but why not, you know, put something on that's different. It's December. It's the last month of 2020. It's Christmas season. You know, shit, it's been Christmas season since like November 1st. But anyways, yeah, let's comment. Let's chat down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. That way when I'm posting these videos, you guys are getting notified from me. Also, let me know what other videos you guys want to see and stuff, and I'll be gladly to either recreate or make these types of videos for you. Hopefully I can think of more things to do for Vlogmas, because Vlogmas is where you record every single day, or like you post a video every single day. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, edit this video and post it for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.